applying KVL in the positive sequence loop, the positive sequence voltage at the point of the fault is the source voltage 1 per unit angle 0 degrees minus the voltage drop across the positive sequence impedance with your transformation equations to get the phase voltage values. And we do this by plugging in the calculated sequence components and the A operator as shown below. Now we have added exactly half, meaning it's 7.96 kV divided by 2 or 3.98 kV phase voltages. Now this is an interesting conductors or phases slap each other due to like a heavy wind condition or a geodisturbance, like accidents, vehicular accidents on a pole where GeneralPack.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPack. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.